in there.
Okay, next we have Skylar. So Skylar has had electric blue hair for 3 years. His hair is short, so he doesn't have too much damage. It is like really rather dry. So we're wondering what he will use for his hair. Will it be A, polychrome shampoo and conditioner, B, polychrome shampoo and hydroglow conditioner, or C, hydroglow shampoo and conditioner?
I'm gonna have to go with B.
B? Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
You be right, it's B! Bingo!
I chose polychrome shampoo and hydroglow conditioner because he has blue hair. He wants to keep that blue vibrant. We need UV protection and we need to lock in those color molecules. So we did that for the shampoo. And then conditioner, we chose hydroglow because he said his hair was dry, but not quite damaged because his hair is really, really short.
Okay, so next we have Brittany.